Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use VPN on MLB TV. So for this tutorial, we will use Proton VPN as an example because it's free. So type in Proton VPN on your web browser. Click the first link on the Google search, and then on the top left corner of your screen, you will see the download button. After that, a drop-down menu will appear and click which device you will use it for. So in this case, we're using Windows. So click on Windows. And then there will be a huge blue button here. It says download for Windows. Click on it. And then choose Windows 10 or 11 or Windows 8 or 7 if you're using Windows 8 or 7. And then just save. Wait for it to download. After that, open the exe for the installation. Click OK. And then it will say that Proton VPN is ready to be installed. You can uncheck this if you want. You can check it if you need this extra software. So click install and you will just wait for the installation to finish. So we installed it already in this machine. Let's run Proton VPN. And then here it is. All you have to do is click Quick Connect. It's connecting to Japan. After that, we are connected to the VPN itself. The only thing we need to do is to search for MLB and log in. Let's type in MLB TV. Click on the first link and there you have it. We can see that the VPN works with MLB.com and you can access any game depending on the location your VPN is connected to. And basically that's it.